Hi my lovelies, hope you guys are well. I'm going to make you I'm going to show you how to make a love oil. So you're going to need a bowl, and you're going to need 5 rose buds. 5 if you're doing it for a female. If you're doing it for a male, you use 6. I've got some cornflower petals here, lavender and rose. You don't have to have it, but it helps. It just makes the scent even stronger and more potent. Cinnamon, a little bit of cinnamon stick, a little piece of Jezebel Root, some catnip. Catnip will help to capture the other member's heart or capture somebody into your life. Okay, catnip is a must for that, and it's a drawing herb as well. Cloves, so 5 sticks of clove, 6 if it's a male. Right, so that's what you're going to need. Some type of carrier oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil. Okay, doesn't matter which one it is. And the oil scent you're going to use will be rose and sandalwood. You can also use vanilla, cinnamon. Those work well as well. So we're just going to go ahead and add in our rose petal. Right. We're going to add in our cornflower and lavender and rose petals. Goes in the cinnamon stick, Jezebel Root, and you're going to pray over these before. Okay, I really prayed over mine, so you can say your prayer, chant what you need to chant over your herbs, ask it to go out and do what you want to return to you. Catnip. Right, I'm going to add some olive oil. So I'm using rose. Again, I'm using just 5 drops of rose. I'm using 5 drops of sandalwood. And there you have your, this is actually your love oil. It's best to, when you make your oil, you don't use it straight away. What you're going to go and do with this, you're going to just leave it and let it set. So you're going to put it in a dark place, a dark cupboard or somewhere where it's dark, so it will start drawing out the herbs, drawing out all the energies and substances from all the herbs, and then you can start using it. I normally when I do my oils, I will let my oils sit for say maybe 6 months, 6 months to a year. Like this one here, this is a money oil. This has been sitting here now for maybe 8 months, but then I will always top up and renew, put more herbs and things like that in there. So yeah, you leave it in a dark cupboard and you just let all the herbs and all the roots, draw all the goodness into the oils. Okay, so yeah, it's just very quick, it's very simple just to make some love oil. Right, leave it in a dark place at least 3 months at least. Okay, and then you can start using it. I hope this helps you, and good luck. Speak to you soon. Bye.